Halor kamat ki Aganwadi Center hakajalla balawanra da kanong thau ay na Ampati constituency Kamyani di Shira hakikenta kli jingkli ka ying dorbar senrai jong kasngi balang kata haka arpho tarik unailor hajar arpho lai yakatei kamat layatai bat shimbentalang na kaliang unong thau ay na Mawhati constituency uba Charles Marngar ubala buru daga jingkli yo menteri badaipen ya katanat social welfare uba Paul Lingdo kabaw loong bahadu katnu tili ki yeng Aganwadi Center la Maramot national ki lengba usenyang baju kersan daki ba nong song snong da kabala benrap ru da kaba ong kumba kalong na kaliang katanan kalaptha iki dorbar snong balada don kino ki jingjulor ki yeng Aganwadi kinong song snong ki de ban no senyang ban snapen bhala ne Maramot ye kino ki jingjulor khamtami ki jakalit shabar la ne toilen bat kumju haka jingthut jongka umbam umdi henre ye kani kinong song snong kinamla namar babon hi khamtam hanong kendong ki dei ki basubelas ngi bat ki badung te kumtaw la ai jingmut ya ka Sorkar bakan Pynmang terpang no da ka skim na ka benta ban Maramot ye ki Aganwadi Center uba Paul Lingdo menteri kate katanan haba jubab halor kate uloong banakliang katanat kan simkhia halor kane ban Pynmang no da ka skim hakis number 1 Shushu uba Charles ulaburu ya ka jingkli habai dei baga jingai katanat da ki kiu shatja bada ki boarding electric lane rice cooker kaba uloong haki babun ki Aganwadi Center kimpat don ki boarding electric te kumno kin pendon kam do rice cooker bat ka ei bakatanat kan le ban simkhia halor kane haba jubab menteri uloong banakaliang katanat kan sa simkhia habai dei bat kane ka bentaru.
Last question, please.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. Last question. We all know that Aganwadi centers have become an important part in the lives of people in the villages, and without the Aganwadi centers, it has become difficult for the villages to function when it comes to different. Aganwadi centers are not just for young newborn babies. It's in the developmental age of the child, and for education and health, it is a very important center for the villagers. So can I get an assurance from the minister that this issue will be looked into?
Sir, in addition to the information already provided, I would like to assure the Honourable Member as well as members of this August House that we have already moved the Ministry of Women and Child Development for total coverage of all uncovered villages, and within the next 1 to 2 years we should be in a position to set up centres wherever these villages meet the criteria required.
Mr. please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes. May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge how many Aganwadi centres done by the community contribution for the repairing of minor Aganwadi centres, toilet, water supply, etc.
Can I get the question repeated, please?
See, sir, as per my knowledge, the department concerned has given instruction to the local body for the repairing of Aganwadi centres, toilet, water supplies. So, may I know from the Honourable Minister how many Aganwadi centres done by the community contribution for the repairing of Aganwadi centres, toilets and water supplies?
So the core issue here is about the repair of these centres, and I can assure the member that within the next 1 to 2 years, we will be in a position to repair all centers that require such intervention. And meanwhile, water is also being provided under the JGM mission.
Dr. Khan,
I need more clarification regarding with regards to the community contribution. Sir, as of now, we have not received any sanction amount for the repairing of Aganwadi centers, toilet and water supply. As I have said, the department has given instruction to the local body for the repairing of Aganwadi centers. So, sir, I don't know in urban area, but sir, if you go to the rural areas, you will see and you will find the condition of Aganwadi centers, the toilet, the water supplies. So if you talk about the community contribution, especially in rural areas, who will give the contribution? Our people in rural areas are all daily wages. They cannot give the contribution for the repairing of Aganwadi center. So therefore, sir, my suggestion to the department, through you, sir, if you can kindly take any step for the maintenance of Aganwadi centers, toilets, and especially for the water supplies.
Sir, I have been visiting various district headquarters in the past 3 months, and a review meeting will be taken in the month of October with all stakeholders where these centers are in existence and wherever such centers are in dilapidated conditions, we will certainly tune up their condition, and this review is being held in the month of October.
So, one more question, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister, did the government has any intention to sanction any amount for the repairing of these Aganwadi centers? May I know from the Honorable Minister, please?
Yes, sir.
One more question, sir. One more, sir.
Okay, last.
Yes. As per my knowledge, sir, rice cooker has given to the Aganwadi center. But we all know that there is no electricity connection. So may I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the intention of the department?
So wherever rice cookers are being supplied and there is lack of power supply, we will look for alternative sources of energy, and that will be part of the review that will be done in a comprehensive manner in the month of October.
Dr. Kazi, please.